name is Anna White. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build these nightstands. I just got done building this gorgeous rustic modern farmhouse bed and needed some suitable nightstands. Only problem is, I didn't want to pay $500 a piece. If you'd like to save money and build yourself too, the free plans are linked in the description. They're very detailed. They have shopping lists, cut lists, diagrams, everything you need to build these. I use a compound miter saw to make all of my cuts. I recommend using a pocket hole jig for joinery. The pocket holes make a really nice product. Even though I'm not going to spend $1,000 on 2 nightstands, I want them to look like I spent $1,000. So I joined all of the tabletop boards together. Those are just 1x8s. And then I cut 1x2 trim for the front and the back and just nailed it on. Notice I'm nailing it on. I'm kind of making sure that the top is very flush and straight. Then I attached 2 1x4s to the ends of the underside of the tabletop, and then from there I can attach the 2x4 legs with pocket hole screws to the underside of the tabletop. And then these are the 1x10s that go on the inside of the legs, and then the 1x2 is to support the drawer slides. This nightstand was actually pretty easy and quick to build. Here is the shelf going in. I just pocket holed it together, 2 1x8s, and then nailed it on. The nightstand's looking really good. It's time to start putting the drawers in. A lot of people get frustrated at the drawer stage, so I'm going to take a quick second to kind of walk you through. So I'm going to use these slides, and I really like these slides because it's almost like an effortless drawer pull, and they're really easy to install and they're really cheap. Cutting the boards. So I always cut the drawer sides, so this would be this board first, and I always cut them to match the length of the drawer slide. So I'm using 16-inch drawer slides. I cut these boards 16 inches long. Now, this piece that goes in the front and the back, a little bit harder to figure out. What I do is I measure the opening, and I don't like to measure this way because there can be some variance in your clip. So what I'll do is, I'll hold 10 inches, right? And then I'll look over here and I'll get that measurement. So then I'll subtract 2.5 inches, 1.5 inches for the drawer sides, and then a 1/2 inch clearance on each side. Cut my drawer front and back. My favorite way to build drawers is with the pocket holes on the outside so that the pocket holes are facing inward for extra strength, and they'll be hidden by the drawer face in later steps. And then I just take 1/4 inch plywood and nail and glue it on. Then from there I can start installing the drawer slides. So I do recommend reading through the instructions that come with it, install the drawer members on the bottom corners, and install the cabinet members so that the front is flush to the inside of the 2x4 and that it's level at, on the top you can use a square to make sure that it's level. These drawer slides are so nice because the drawer pulls so easy. Now for the drawer face, I wanted a little bit of a modern hidden pull, so I just cut the top edge of the drawer faces at a 45. I left about a 1/4 inch at the top, and I pocket holed all of the drawer face pieces together first, and then I used a square to nail it onto the drawer box. Then I removed the drawer and then attached it from the inside with some screws. Yes, you can use Craig screws. Now for the finish, I overfilled all of the exposed nail holes with wood filler and sanded it. And then from there, I wiped on 1 coat of sun bleached by Varathane poly on top. Thank you so much for watching this video. The free plans for the nightstands and the matching bed are linked in the description. I'd love to do more plans. Let me know in the comments which plans you'd like to see. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next video.